Hello, friend! Today, we're gonna build a new residential district in our city. That means it's gonna be filled with houses, just like the one you live in. Let's think about what are the useful and necessary construction and building equipment we already know about. There's the excavator. Look at it dig. It can just tear up any ground. Boom! Wow. This crane has such a long arm, and it can pick up just about anything. Dump truck so much stuff, and then it dumps it all right out where it needs to be. Whoa. The concrete mixer is so cool when it spins like that. The little tractor has so many uses: moving, dumping, and even pushing heavy things. Then there's the road roller. Everything gets flat beneath it when it rolls. Squish! While the flatbed truck brings the materials from far, far away to help us build everything we need to. And finally, the absolute biggest, the monster, the truck crane. Whoa, I can't believe how huge it is. It can move absolutely anything. Wow. Swoosh. Well, my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Come and see me later. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.